Well, if you sit beside a garden, you're going to be buzzed by bees, right? Okay. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm Kaye here in Tennessee. This is my homestead that I'm building and probably will be building until I leave here because it's such a big, huge, long process. One of the things we're working on, my helpers and I, is this new driveway garden. It's gone through a transformation since I got here. There were 4 cedar trees. This is actually designed as a cutout for a car, an extra car to park on the driveway. And I thought, I'm not going to be parking a car there on any kind of regular basis. And I found this table and chairs on Facebook Marketplace, and I thought, great, this is great, because my little table inside is always filled full of seed packages. And so one step at a time, this whole thing started. And I'll probably be doing when it's done, I'll probably be doing a start to finish video. But today I wanted to share with you, I wanted to share with you a sunset walk around yesterday and show you all my flowers. All the flowers that are blooming right now. You have been seeing, if you've been following my posts page from my homepage, I share morning inspirations, sunrise meditations, and share everything that's blooming around close to where I am. And this morning, I want to share what I saw yesterday afternoon about between 6 and 7 p.m. Because yesterday was the longest day of the year. Did you know that we're already on a downward slope and we haven't even had our major harvests yet? So it's hard to believe that we just had our longest day, but we did. So today is the 22nd, and I'm going to show you some of my flowers at sunset yesterday. Take a look. Now, because the sun just rose, 5:27, you don't see the sun here actually for about 90 minutes. It doesn't come through the trees. Now, it will hit the top of that mountain across, it's not a mountain, but a very tall hill across from me. It will hit over there, the top of that, you know, pretty, if the sun's out. Yeah, it looks like it will be. It will hit there pretty soon, like within the next half hour. But then it gradually comes down that hill, and then it gradually comes my lower garden, and then it gradually comes up the hill. One of the first things that I did when I started my channel and my website was I put together a 10, let's see, what's it called? 10 steps to a great first garden. So if you've never started a garden and you've just watched a bunch of gardening channels and you think, I don't know where to start, you know, everybody's got such a great thing going, I could never do that, I don't have a green thumb. I've heard all the lines. Believe me, that was me. You were me before. And look at what is possible. So obviously you can learn. And if you have an interest in plants, flowers, insects, butterflies, the whole natural process, you can do it. Even if you just have a 10 by 10 foot patio garden, a patio, you know, you can do it. So there's lots of ways for that, and I covered a lot of those topics, small space gardening, in my first, let's see, six or 7 years in California. That's what I did. I had hardly any space. So if you go back in time on my channel, just look at my playlist, you will see things small space gardening. But if you subscribe to my website, latebloomershow.com, you can download for free 10 Steps to a Great First Garden. It's a download I put together literally 10 or 11 years ago, okay? But it's got some great first advice. And one of the things I just mentioned is, where is the sun? This is your first. Where is the light going to come from? Where's the sun? If you can't have any sun, where's the light going to come from? That's the first question you have to answer. So that's what I have studied since I've been here. Where's the light? When is it going to hit certain areas? Is it going to hit certain areas? And so as the years have gone by, I've developed more and more gardens. And now I'm topped out, okay? I am maxed out. But behind me, you can see this is a huge anise hyssop bush. Now I planted, I believe it was one stem. And of course, it will die back, you know, before the freeze. Most of this will be completely bare for the winter, which is why I thought it would be really neat to have a feature that will go through the seasons, and that's what we're developing right here, is a rock wall. And as it's going, we're deciding, so I can't even tell you exactly what it's going to be yet. But I'm very excited about being able to come out for sunrise, for my mug of cacao and raw honey, and just share either pictures with my fans on, on my post page, or talk to you, or just sit here and take it all in. This is Sunday morning. It's probably about, let's see, it's 5:40 now. And so it's very quiet. The road is quiet. And I lived in very busy, very noisy cities for over 40 years. So this is such a blessing. A blessing I didn't even expect. And so I am very, very grateful. I hope this morning has been enjoyable for you, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for taking your time to spend on my channel. I appreciate it. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.